Alright, well, I'm back again with another lame tutorial. I'll try to do a better job this time. Uh, been having such a big problem with my Windows box and screen software that I decided I'd put XP on my Mac and Parallels. So that's how come the screen looks as funny as it does. Alright, well, Larry, back in that deployment tools folder, on that sysprep disk, you'll find this WPI folder. Okay, this is a Windows post installer. You can double click either one of these two to start the program. We'll do that real quick and show you what this is. It's a Windows post installer. Will allow you to install software either. Okay, we'll select none. Okay, you can. This will automate your process to install software. Now, it won't work with every piece of software, but this is included on the disk, and this is what it has. You can edit this and add your own things. Notice up here when we hover over CCleaner, we get a little mouse over script that comes up, and you'll notice it's not in English, so we'll have to change that. But you just pick out the ones you want, and then hit install. It's kind of cool. We'll do that here in a minute. We'll exit out of there. Basically, what you'll want to do is this install folder is where all your applications will go. Inside a folder, you'll find your installers. Pretty straightforward. Now, under your WPI scripts, you'll notice you have a config script. Basic JavaScript. Pull it up here. Notice these are all your values. Category, some commands, description, program name, etc. Alright, we'll arrow down here. We'll look at one. We'll look at this CCleaner, aka crap cleaner. And I've already got one started on the desktop here to show you real quick. Okay. Basically, I've cut and pasted it here, and I've taken the refurb disk from Helping Tulsa, which we have here, and this just happens to be the children's folder in the refurb children. Okay, and I've taken the icons just to use for an example, and I've taken this one icon and I've placed it inside the graphics folder. Just cut and paste it in there, and that's where you'll place any icons you want, and I'll show you about that here in a minute. Okay, and I've taken what did I take? Oh, well, we're done there. I've got it on the desktop. Let's see. I think I've already added it. Look. No, I haven't. Okay, we'll do that right now. Okay, I've taken Doodle out of there, put it in a folder, and we'll paste it in here. Now notice that on these, well, you can't see it. I could on the other one. They're in uppercase, .exe all uppercase, Doodle.exe all uppercase, because we did these on the Windows 98s. Okay, so here's what CCleaner looks like. And you'll notice in the description where I did that mouse over, this is the code for that. And basically it's this right here that we're looking at for the translation. I really love Google Translate, but as you notice, I've got it on detect language right here. A lot of times Google should turn that off. So
on trend on department rat hole rat.
Huh? Department rat hole rat.
On trend on department rat hole rat.
Well, okay, it's detected it as Catlin. Well, it's actually Vietnamese. So
garbage cleanup program very good.
Okay. Well, there you go. Now we know what that meant, and we can change that. But what we've done, we've just basically did like this, and I've pasted it down here below, as you can see, and I've changed the entries for CCleaner to Doodle 2. And you can just look above and change it to your application. And I've even translated that as the garbage cleanup program very good, even though that's the description for crap cleaner, or CCleaner, sorry. That's what it's called. Okay, well, that's that so far. Now you'll notice here I've got some extra code. Let me see, I'll take this one. I've got 3 of them here. I've been through this video several times, so sorry if I've got a lot of code out of the way. Basically, I'm adding a new piece of code, this right here. And you notice at the end here you have this PN, that's the stop code, so we'll go ahead and back that off, take that little line off, and we'll add this. So this is everything that was on Crap Cleaner, their entry, except we've added this last little bit of code right there, and moved what used to be at the end here to here. Correct? Pretty straightforward stuff. Anyway, what this will do is give us, when we mouse over, it'll give the description, and of course it'll be wrong. It'll say garbage cleanup program very good. And notice we've got this pathway to this icon right here. The pathway to the icons in graphics, and the name of the icons, 1 ICO, and the pixel and where it's going to be located, and then our stop. Okay. Well, I think that's it, except I want to change this line right here. This is the category line. Okay. We can change that because we don't want children's games in system, so we'll call it games, just for the heck of it. Alright, we'll copy that. Now notice this is just a WordPad that I've had on the desktop that I named config.js and saved it there. Alright, now we'll go back to our WPI scripts, open up our config, alright, we'll go down here to under CCleaner, we'll enter twice, that way we'll have a space above and below, right click and paste. I think I got an extra space there. Take that extra space out. Alright, we'll save that. We'll overwrite the other one, and then we'll just drop this in there. Alright, that took care of that hardship. Nothing ever works right when you're trying to do something for people, show people. Okay, this makes it pretty simple. Now, I know it can be a lot of work, yeah, I guess, but okay, notice we have a new entry under games, and there we go, the hover over. Of course, we have the description wrong, garbage cleanup program, very good. You can change all that. It's very simple, and what I like about this is that, I hope you can hear this, because this is the fun part. When you click install,
Yes. You're at the end.
it went by so fast, it starts up and it even talks to you. It says, you're at the beginning. And then when it completes and it's successfully done it, it says yes. And then it says at the end, done, finished, or done, or whatever, and then it shuts down. So what this does is it saves us from having to go and do the double click, next. I mean, carpal tunnel syndrome just gets kind of old. So you can hack away at that script and let me know what works for you and what don't. Like I say, other applications are somewhat difficult. I'm working on a 2003 Office installer, and I'll let you know how that comes. But try to pay it forward, folks, and maybe we can all help each other. Thanks for listening.